You guys want a picture?
Yes.
Okay, I got him. Oh, that's not your phone.
No, this is the movie.
Follow us on Instagram. At 1, 2, 3. Well, look that guy. He got the tripod, the tripod. Yeah, get able
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, put that down. But get a good one. Get a good one.
Get in here, guys.
Get in. I'm gonna look less cool.
Look, let's go.
I'm gonna take one.
I did fall. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
Thank you.
Look in my pocket. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Wait, look. If I went in behind, I think that's like a photo.
Oh, penguins so cute.
Oh, turn the light off. That's it. I'm gonna turn light off.
Oh, yeah, but not this. Wow.
Oh, light off. What happened? Turn the light off. Somebody need to know donations. We'll turn the light back on. Oh, my hand got frozen now. Oh man, it's frozen. Nice tripod. No, don't worry. I'm just doing live streams. Yes, you could do take photo or whatever you want. It's fine.
Do you mind taking a picture of us? Thank you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you so much.
We don't show you the Louis Spada house yet, so stay with me. I'm gonna take you to where is the house with the most decorations. She's the one bring culture and traditions to this area, okay? So stay with me, don't go. Hello everyone. Happy holiday. Don't forget hit the like button. I can't make the videos because it's really cold. It's really pretty. This house pretty too. Happy holiday. Look really pretty. Look at that, do the lights on the trees and the staircase. The house. Hi.
She's there.
This decoration has security? Yes, of course they have securities and YPDs around these areas. Keep its tourists safe. And they spend a lot of money on it. You need to have a license to do decorations for this. If you don't have a license, they're not gonna pay you for it to do their house because of safety. In New York City, they will ask you for the license. Smell. You could join raid clubs. Oh man. Bro, he got a plant? Is that how a big plant on it? Oh my goodness. What hilarious comment. Let's go this way. You see here? We'll come to the next block. I'm gonna show you where the Louis Potter house.
Some of them are just metal structures. But coming up, right there, we have the largest non-truckers in Brooklyn. Look at those gigantic non-truckers. Santa Claus, change them, see? The non-truckers are gone. Let's go, Santa Claus.
Santa Claus coming down. Wow, it's cold. It's really cold tonight. Oh my goodness. Stay with me. I'll show you someplace, how beautiful house. There's more to come. Look really beautiful and pretty. It's really cold. Got a lot of tours because it's Saturday night. Saturday night. A lot of tours. Where is snow here? Oh, look at amazing here, guys. Check this.